Here we go then guys, just doing a bit of battery soldering. Pause a sec, turn it around. Here we are, back. I've swapped it around so I can do all sides. It's a proper job. No, it's not coming off again. That's it. Let's get it off and show you. That's the best you can get it really. Yeah. One more to go.